My dear friends, there was once a young boy who had learned how to play the violin from a very good teacher. And as days went by, he was practicing. And one day, as he prepared and he began to play in public, people noticed something. He would play all the notes accurately, but still there was something that was missing. So an elderly man was passing by and he told him, all your notes are accurate, but you lack the depth. The music is there, but the fire or the passion is missing. My dear friends, very often we see that passion or that fire or the zeal, what we speak, tends to be missing in what we do. And it is the zeal, it is that fire which makes things more comprehensible, it makes it more convincing. And therefore in today's first reading, we have a kind of a similar story. We have Apollos, a man who is competent, he is well versed in scripture, he knows what he is talking. But again, what is missing is the depth. So the knowledge is there, but the depth is missing. And it is that depth which makes something very convincing. It is the depth which makes a person move from knowledgeable to become a witness. And then we see that he is helped by whom? Aquilus and Priscilla. And it is very important to see how they deal with the situation. They don't correct Apollos in public, but they take him aside and then explain to him how things are about. Because we are told that everything is good until we hear the line that he only knew about the baptism of John. And therefore he had knowledge, but it was not complete. And it is then Aquilus and Priscilla who then give him the complete knowledge of Christ. My dear friends, corrections are important, but it also depends how we do it. Anything done in public can be humiliating, can also be insulting for the other person. And when something is done with fraternal love, it needs to be done silently, with caution, and also with gentleness. And my dear friends, our Christian vocation is about that. We are called to take care of one another, but also in a very gentle and effective manner.